Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Accordion Illusion Turn. It's going to help if you already know how to do an accordion. So if you don't know that, head off, the video is already up for that, learn that and come back. We'll show you how it goes. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that's it. So the new bit, if you already know an accordion, the illusion bit is where you allow yourself to get an extra rotation. If we did nothing to try and get the extra rotation, you'd go around once, and trying to go around a second time, that rotation would put this horrible twist in your arms, which is pretty uncomfortable, and you're not going to be able to do much from it. So what we need to do is find a way to avoid that. And what we do, we go around once, and as you go through the point where you need to pass your hands through each other, your illusion is you actually let go and immediately recatch, so it looks like one pair of arms went through the other. And what happens is the top hand, whichever the top hand is going to be one that lets go. The bottom hand is coming up, and as you let go, the lady's hand slides across the back of the other pair, and you just recatch as you get to the other side. A little bit of care and you won't be losing the hands. So let's walk through the whole thing slow. We go right to right, semicircle back off the left, shouldn't be able to reach yet. We sweep the lady out to the right, picking the hand up, guy's head left. Sweep the lady out to the left, guy's head right, so we're looking at each other under the left arms at this point. Now we're going to do our first illusion. So we come around. As the lady comes around, we need to get the bottom hand, bottom pair, through the top pair, and what's going to happen is we come up, we let go with the guy's right, recatch immediately, and around a second time. Going back the other way, we go right hand over, left hand over, right hand is low, it's going to kind of punch up through the middle and allow us to recatch, and around a second time. And to give us a nice ending, guys, I'm going to step out to the left at this point and do a travelling return with the right, letting go with the left, and we'll be done. So, standard timing for an accordion, plus an extra count on each illusion, because you go round twice. And that's it. So let's do it together. 5, a 6, Accordion Illusion Turn. We go a back, sweep to the right, and look, a sweep to the left, and look, around 1, round 2, and look, around 1, around 2, and look, travelling return, and you're done. And that's it. The one thing I would say is you can do the illusion more than once. So you could go round and punch through and punch through. However, if you keep doing that for too long, you will end up with a dizzy partner. Okay, unless you get really good at spotting. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. And as always, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Cheers! I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.